Having microphone issues with your Galaxy Buds? You're not alone. It's a common problem, with about 12% of users reporting issues on forums. Possible causes include accumulated dust, software glitches, Bluetooth interference, or even power management settings affecting mic performance. This video will guide you through troubleshooting steps to get your microphone working again. Before diving into advanced solutions, let's try some easy fixes. First, perform a reset by pressing and holding both earbuds for 7 seconds until the LED flashes. Next, use a soft brush to gently clean the microphone ports on each bud. Then, ensure your Galaxy wearable app is up to date. Finally, check the battery level, as low power can sometimes affect mic performance. Software often plays a key role in microphone functionality. Open the Galaxy wearable app and check for any available firmware updates for your buds. Install them immediately. If the problem persists, try resetting the earbuds through the app. This clears temporary data and can resolve software conflicts. As of early 2026, Samsung's One UI 7.0 includes enhanced Bluetooth stability and automatic mic diagnostics for Galaxy S25 and S26 devices connected to the buds. Bluetooth interference from other devices can disrupt the microphone signals in your Samsung Galaxy Buds. This section covers how to identify and resolve these connection issues. Bluetooth interference occurs when other devices emit signals that conflict with your earbud's connection to your phone. Common sources of interference include Wi-Fi routers, microwaves, and other Bluetooth devices. These can cause your microphone to drop out or become unreliable. The first step is to move away from potential sources of interference. Try repositioning yourself or the devices to reduce signal conflicts. Try unpairing and repairing your Galaxy Buds with your phone. In your phone's Bluetooth settings, select Forget for the device, then put the buds in pairing mode and connect again. Finally, confirm that your phone is running the latest Bluetooth version. Older versions may not support the full capabilities of your Galaxy Buds. For advanced troubleshooting of microphone issues in your Samsung Galaxy Buds, dive into the Galaxy Wearable app settings. Here you'll find microphone sensitivity adjustments, typically located within equalizer or call settings. Look for the microphone sensitivity controls. These allow you to adjust how sensitive the microphone is to sound input. Experiment with different levels to see if it improves your call quality. Another setting to check is active noise cancellation, or ANC. This feature can sometimes impact microphone performance, so try disabling it temporarily to see if that resolves your issues. If you have One UI 7.0, consider enabling the user-controlled mic muting feature. This gives you manual control over when the microphone is active, which can help with privacy and troubleshooting. A popular, though potentially risky, DIY fix involves using compressed air to clear debris from the mic grills. A 2025 TikTok video demonstrated this compressed air hack for Buds 3, with positive results for many users. However, use this method with extreme caution, as overpressure can damage the microphone. Short bursts of air from a distance are recommended. Samsung endorses it only as a temporary fix. If none of the previous troubleshooting steps have resolved your Samsung Galaxy Buds microphone issues, it may be time to seek professional help from Samsung support. First, check your warranty status. Many microphone problems are covered under Samsung's warranty, potentially qualifying you for free repairs or replacements. Contact Samsung's support team, who can offer advanced troubleshooting guidance or arrange for professional repairs through their service centers. However, be aware that current global supply chain issues may cause delays in repair times, with average resolution taking 7 to 10 days according to recent reports. While waiting, check Samsung's community forums for model-specific advice from other users, and consider using their dedicated repair app for tracking and updates on your case. Looking ahead, the future of earbuds includes AI-enhanced microphones for superior noise cancellation and bone conduction technology for clearer audio transmission. To prevent future microphone issues, regularly clean your buds, keep the firmware updated, and avoid exposing them to extreme humidity. Upgrading to newer models like the Buds 4 with improved dual beamforming mics can also significantly reduce the likelihood of problems. Remember, software-driven fixes are becoming increasingly common, so stay updated.